Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to teach you how you can make up to 10k using MTN mobile money app. So for you to do this, the first thing you need to do is to download the MTN mobile money app from Google Play Store. Okay, so go now to Google Play Store, type MoMo, MTN MoMo app. Okay, and install this one. Okay, so after installing, you launch it, you log in. Okay, it's loading. You input the OTP. You take next. After taking next, so you wait for it to load. You see this recommend Momo and receive 237 francs CFA. Okay, click on it. And you can either enter the phone number of the person you want to recommend, or you click here and search from your contacts. So let me enter the phone number. Okay, let me enter the phone number. Since this is going to be in my phone, or use my second number. So this is the number. You click on refer a friend. That's it, done. Once your friend has successfully made a transaction in the app, you will get 237 francs and they will get this. Okay, you take done. Now this message will go to the person you invited. Okay, yes, this is it. It has entered in my phone. Now when I receive this message, if I click on this link, this one here, and go to Play Store, install the app, the person who sent me the link is going to earn 237 francs. Okay, and now you want to ask, how do you make up to 10k daily? You go to your contacts, here, you repeat this process. You click on recommend a friend. When you click, you enter you search the contacts of your friends. Okay, as you search, you add all of them and send the message to them. Once they click and download the app, MTN will send you a commission. So another way you can make up to 10k daily is to go on a street and register people directly. Okay, you send a message to them, you register them, and let's say you register, let's do the math. Let's say 237 times 50. Let's say a day you register 50 people on the street. You are going to have more than 10k even. Thank you for watching. Follow me for more videos like this one. If you have any worry, drop your comment in the comment section. Also, I will leave the link that if you register using my link, I'm going to get a commission.